Hi everyone, welcome back to Yoga with Ramoni. Let's start by closing our eyes. And we are going to take a big inhale, breathing in through the nose and let it out through your mouth. Again, let's take a big inhale, breathing in through the nose and sigh it out through your mouth. And now let's drop our right ear over towards the right shoulder. Breathing here in and out through the nose, relaxing all of your muscles. Drop your head forward, bringing the chin towards the chest. Just sitting here for a moment. And now let's bring our left ear towards our left shoulder. Let's drop our head back now, drawing the chin towards the ceiling. And again, left ear to left shoulder. Drop your head forward, chin to chest. And right ear to right shoulder. Place your right hand on top of the head, extending your left arm out to the side. And now let's drop the left ear to the left shoulder, placing our left hand on top of the head, extending our right arm out to the side. Let's come back to center, hands on our knees for a modified cow pose, looking up, arching the back, opening the chest forward. And now for our cat pose, we round our spine, pulling the chin in towards the chest, maybe lowering the hands underneath the knees so you can pull yourself. Again, coming into our cow pose, looking up, opening the chest. And for our cat pose, we round our spine. Let's do that one more time. Let's come back to center as we raise our shoulders up towards the ears and then roll them back and down. Let's do that again. Lift the shoulders up high, roll them back and down. And now we lift the shoulders up high again, roll them forward and down. One more time, we lift our shoulders all the way up, roll them forward and down. Drop your right arm down towards your side as we come into a side body stretch with that left arm lifting up and over. Now, if you're able to touch the floor with your right hand, you can do that. If not, you can just let that arm hang, or you can just keep your right hand on your knee if that feels a little more comfortable. Let's sweep the body forward, coming into a modified forward fold. And if you want to go a little bit deeper, you can start to open the legs a little bit and clasp your hands behind your neck, just giving yourself a little bit more weight here. So you're not pulling on your neck, it's just a little added weight. And now we come into that side body stretch with the right arm lifting up and over. Remember, if you would like to touch the floor with that left hand, you can. Or you can just let it hang or grab onto the knee instead. Come back up. Shake your shoulders out a little bit, getting the kinks out of your upper body. Let's go back into our side body stretch, lifting up and over with the right arm. Now let's lift our right arm up and back as if we're opening our arms very wide. And now we lower that right hand forward. Maybe you touch the floor here. So just folding over that left knee. Again, let's open our arms wide, reaching up and back with that right arm, really rotating the chest up, and lower that right hand forward, folding over that left knee. We come into our forward fold again. Option to clasp the hands behind the neck, maybe opening the legs a little bit wider this time, really allowing yourself to go through the legs if that feels comfortable. And now for our side body stretch with that left arm. We reach the left arm up and back, opening the chest wide. And now we lower that left hand forward, folding over the right knee. Again, we lift that left arm up and back, rotating the chest up. And we fold over that right knee, lowering that left hand. Come back to your forward fold in the center. And now we slowly roll up. Your head is the last thing to come up. And relax your shoulders. Let's shift our torso to the right and forward. And now to the left and back, round the spine. Again, to the right and forward, to the left and back. And now let's go to the left, forward, to the right, and back. And let's do that body circle one more time. And now you can relax. Let's lift our right leg as we take some circles with that right ankle. And now let's lift our left leg, taking some circles with our left ankle. Lift your right leg again, but this time we straighten that leg. And now we lower that right foot back down to the floor. Again, let's lift and straighten that right leg and lower down. One more time, we lift that right leg, straighten it, and lower down. Same thing with the left. 3 times, you straighten and bend. Cross your right leg over the left leg. Bring your arms out into a T position. Let's cross our left arm over our right arm and we just hug ourselves, trying to get our hands as close as possible to each other. Now you can stay here or you can lift the forearms, coming into your eagle arms. So we're just doing a modified eagle pose here. Let's turn our torso to the right and to the left. Relax your arms as you place your right ankle on top of the left knee now, coming into a figure 4. Lift your arms up overhead. Let's twist to the right, placing our left hand on top of that right knee. Turning the torso, maybe looking over that right shoulder. With every inhale, you lengthen your spine. With every exhale, you twist a little deeper. And back to center, lower that leg. Let's cross our left leg over the right leg this time, opening our arms into that T position. This time, bringing the right arm over the left and hugging ourselves, trying to work the hands closer to each other. Remember, you can stay just like this, or you can lift the forearms, coming into those eagle arms for a modified eagle pose. Turn your body to the left. And now we turn our body to the right. And we come back to center, bringing that left ankle on top of the right knee for our figure 4. Lifting the arms overhead, and then twisting to the left, placing that right hand on top of the left knee. Remember, with every inhale, you lengthen your spine, and every exhale, you twist a little deeper. Let's come back to center, and this time we're going to open our legs a little bit wider, placing our palms on the floor if they reach, relaxing the head, the neck, and the shoulders. Now you can stay just like this, or you can start to straighten your legs, coming into a wide-legged forward fold. And we sit back down in our chair. Again, let's send the hips up, straightening our legs as much as possible. And we sit back down in our chair. One more time, come into that wide-legged forward fold, straightening the legs. And we sit back down. Let's place our hands on our knees, slowly rolling up. Your head is the last thing to come up. And we close the legs together. Sweep your arms overhead. And let's bring our hands to heart center as we take a deep breath in through the nose and sigh it out through your mouth. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. I hope that you really enjoyed class. Everything that you need is on the screen and in the description box below, including classes that I teach outside of YouTube. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for more classes, and I'll see you in the next one.